Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your debit card number on Chase app step by step. So if you need your debit card details for online shopping, subscriptions or payments and you don't have your physical card with you, this guide will help you quickly find it inside the Chase app. Let's get started. First, open the Chase mobile app on your phone and sign in to your account using your username, password, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard where all your accounts are shown. Now tap on the Accounts tab if it is not already open. Here you will see your checking, savings, and credit card accounts. Select the checking account that is connected to your debit card. After opening your checking account, look for the debit card section or tab and tap on it. This area contains your card management options and debit card details. Once you open the debit card section, your debit card number will appear on the screen. Depending on your app settings, you may need to verify your identity again using a security code, fingerprint, or Face ID before the full card number is shown. You can now use this information for online purchases, bill payments, or other transactions when your physical card is not available. You can also view your debit card details through the Chase website on your computer. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.